Welcome to Wiki General. In this tutorial we will show you how to update Instagram on Android. It's a little request, if you are the new user on our channel, please subscribe our channel. So without wasting a time, let's go toward the video. To show that some people use Play Store app gallery for downloading apps, so we will show you a very easy and simple apps, that is APK Pura, to update or download any apps. So we will search for Instagram. You see the first Instagram, tap on updates. You see that is new update is on, so click on it to update it. So wait for it to update and then it will automatically install. So we will swipe this and you see this, it's going to download. So then click on the install. Once you update it, you will see a lot of new features on your Instagram. So it is important to update your Instagram time by time. So wait for it to install, and once it installed we will show you that how this updated app work. So finally it is installed, and then click on open, and you see this is the Instagram of new update. If this video is informative for you, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.